Are you searching for the best bubble remover machine? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best bubble remover machine in 2024.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. Nasan NA-SUPA Lite Mini Vacuum Laminate Machine. HZY 3-in-1 Mini Bubble Removing Machine with built-in air compressor pump. Primary vacuum pump suit for iPhone, Samsung Flat Curved Touch LCD screen. For LCD, OLED air bubbles removing. Built-in air compressor, can connect external air compressor. New appearance design, touch panel control and timing function. 7-inch small size, ultra thin in addition to debubble machine, powerful. High efficient, 30 seconds per piece. High intelligent equipment, 1 button automatic operation. Operation is extremely simple, bubble remove machine. 12 months warranty, online technical support and training is provided.